Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to act like a hacker and show it to your friends. It's pretty cool. So first it's like create a new one, new, and then select the text document, change the name to hack and .bat and .bat. Save it and press right click, edit, and then put this link on it, start https brand.com/hacker/. Then we close up and then run the hacker batch file. If you think this is fun, please subscribe my YouTube channel, thumbs up to this video, and I'll see you next time and bring more content to you guys. Peace out.